Hey, what's up, guys? Check this out. So I was thinking, right? I'm at work and it was my time to think. I started to think, I think at this point, if you don't understand what's happening and you refuse to look at the information coming out, then my messages are not for you. These messages are for men of every single color in this country that understand that what's right is right and what's wrong is wrong, besides color. We don't care about color. And all I'm saying is, we're at that point where we understand that at some point, these two trains are going to meet. And all I'm saying is, if we're going to do it, and if we're going to stand together and stand against the machine, then let's do it for our families. Because that's all we got, right? Your riches, your fancy boats, money you have saved up, all of that. We all know that any of us in a heartbeat would trade that for our families and for our families' well-being. Well, the things that Joe Biden is saying about using certain military grade weapons on the American people should alarm and should wake some of you up to what's happening. I'm at work, guys, so I'm a little sweaty, but that's what men do, right? We work. We don't sit around with our thumbs up our ass asking for handouts. So I'm gonna keep it, I guess, up to here, and to know everybody out there that we're one people created by one God. Now, if you believe that, you believe in being free, and you believe in standing for what's right, and standing for each other against the enemies of this country, then follow me. I'll try to follow you. But let's come together, guys. Enough of this shit. We're sitting here fighting about stupid things. Nobody's oppressing anybody anymore. And if those people are, they're fucking dirtbags and they don't belong to this movement. So with that being said, one love, people.